to make some chicken soup, people. That's I forgot watching here. Yeah, I got a broth and trying the kitchen. Yeah, I'm sorry. Trying the chicken to chunky also. Where the patch of the sugar here. And the sugar get more brown. I got some more brown, then the chicken go add into the proper too. And then all the ingredients for the soup. I got some more dark brown than that. Okay, chicken brown now. And the provision have a very nice and the water. I put the chicken.
Get fully and get work hard. And nearly done in your soda.
Some more ingredients again. Let's see. Green bananas, potato, aloo, sweet potato. What have again? And carrots. And the chicken. Just had to cook up a little. And then some soy sauce. Had to cook up a little. Then the water to add. Like butter and coconut milk and some green flakes to add as well. Some more green flakes to add. Some tomato ketchup as well. Soy sauce. Right, then your water hot also. Let it cook. Mix up a little bit of salt and thing. I just had to cook up a little. We take out the chicken and then the water for it to boil. Put everything in up. Just had to cook up together the chicken, the provision, and the water add to make the soup, and whatever other ingredients have to add. The ketchup mix up the soy sauce and everything. Had to cook up for a while and set water for it to boil. When I start cooking. Some green stuff to throw in. And then mix it also. So the water going in. Let it boil now.
Cái bao nhiêu rồi đấy, nếu đi đón đến tôi nào vậy?
Mà đi còn bên đó cái gì đó. What did I?
Not yet, when I'm ready then.
Right, so this sauce now the water for the soup.
I'm now putting next calabashi too. Calabashi not that fast.
I just had to cook up now. I still have dumplings to add, coconut milk, some more things to add, and then is it.
Huh? Not yet.
Salt butter gone in there. Margarine. Sorry, golden, right?
You want any boiling? That's
Yeah,
all.
boy.
Boiling. That one was boiling.
Dumplings, people. Penguin in. Dump penguin in. Get a cook. Some butter add again. And
Kasi yung melting. Naway
perfect na dito.
naway like and soup pa dito.
Hindi. Hindi. Ito lang.
Hindi melting?
Aku itu manis. Ya sini nih pun, dawan mel tuh.
Melt na ito na siya melt.
Alright, so this is it here.
Melt.
Hold up, hold it.
Hindi yan doon sa melt.
So this is it here.